No, there's three different jivas being discussed here. I mean, there's three different jivas with three different destinies, and they're kind of mixing up together in terms of producing a child. But the child, maybe that's just, says, in Kapila's teachings in the third canto of Bhagavatam, karmana devata netram jantar deho papatye. By the arrangement of one's karma and the devatas and the paramatma, one takes a birth in a particular womb of a woman. Deho depataye. Karmana, manas, I can't remember. Anyway, it's that verse starts like that, karmana. Obviously, it's because of karma we take birth, and then the arrangement, the whole birth arrangement is by devatas and so many things, and paramatma is the karta, the adi karta. It's called the daiva. There's 5 factors of action in Gita. One of them is cheshta, and then it's called the daiva. Daiva means the paramatma. Karta, cheshta, kala, desh. There's 5 factors of any action. So daiva means Bhagavan, paramatma. So karma is one. So this you're saying that, so that just like, for example, there's a jiva, and the jiva takes birth, and the demoniac in the womb of a demon, but he's a personification of pure bhakti. Prahlad Maharaj, Bhakti Prahlad. So the karma, the demon mother and demon father was quite different, totally different. Somehow they all came together for a short period of time. So by the arrangement of Paramatma, and this Prahlad came through that way. So the parents, whether they're liberated or whatever, just because they were the vehicle, it's kind of a blessing to be the vehicle, let's say the mechanism for that jiva to get liberated, then they get some benefit by that, and the whole parivar. So that individual baby carrying his own karma, obviously there's related to that, those, like, for example, myself, my mother and father, where are they in relation to Krishna Bhakti? They're just like, it's almost like a passive role. They just they bring the person into the world. So they have that much fortune, just like you can say that Prahlad Maharaj liberated his parents. Because that's also told.
That's kind of my point is,
No, I know what I'm talking about. So that's also told in Bhagavatam that, when Krishna wanted to kill, Virochan, because he gave a benediction, Hiranyakashipu gave a benediction to Prahlad, because he asked, Vishnu or Krishna, the avatars, have to uphold the Shastra. The Shastras say 11 generations of your ancestors will get liberated. So then Sringadevi said, "Oh Prahlad, all your future generations, they'll get liberated. I won't kill them. No matter, one of them is Bali, descendant of Prahlad's descendant is Vairochani, and Vairochani's son is Bali Maharaj. And Bali Maharaj not only didn't get killed, he's glorified as Atma Navedanam. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, there's 9 representatives of the different limbs of bhakti. So Bali Maharaj is a representative of Atma Navedanam. And Bali Maharaj is a great-great-grandson of Prahlad Maharaj. So from a demon birth became a whole line of liberated souls. So that jiva obviously is a very special. Why jiva is going to, Paramatma and the devatas and that jiva's karma, he has to be put in the womb somewhere to take birth because he's not finished his karma yet. He's not ready to get liberated. So the Dham is a place of liberation. I said there's 7 cities of liberation. So the liberation is to Vaikuntha, but he's born in Navadvip Dham. So this is very special. So my argument is very strong that a very good chance that he got liberated. More than you can say that, because the other argument which you're bringing up, the abstract, you want to take it the negative way around, we also highlighted that if you commit abortions, if someone aborts, it says, Shastras, the sin for committing abortion is that person who does abortion, he or she will appear in a womb of a mother thousands and millions of times, but never see the light of day. So they'll live for 10 months and die at birth and not see the light of day. So this, you can say this, but how is, so a demon is taking birth in Navadvip? Possible? Can be. You can go that way, but that's not what you want to tell those people, right? Devotees, if demons can give birth to a devotee, then Hanuman says, Hanuman means logic, if two asuras, Aditi, or Diti, what is it? Hiranyakashipu's wife, Diti.
Diti,
Aditi, I know, I get confused. Diti, demons. Diti means Daitya. Diti and so two demons gave birth to a pure. Excuse me?
Hiranyakashipu's wife is Kayadu.
I'm not saying the name. There's Aditi. There's, what?
Daitya.
No, yeah, you're right.
in the beginning, there were two sisters, one
Yeah.
gave to...
Yeah. In other words, the origin of the demons is Diti, means Daitya, and Aditi. This is the Parivar. The particular name, I don't know. Maybe Kayadu, I don't know. I was speaking of the Gotra, the demon Gotra, the Asura Gotra, the Asura Gotra and the Sura Gotra. So mother and father of Prahlad Maharaj, they gave birth to a devotee. So now here's two devotees, they can also give birth to a demon, right? This is a Shastra. So that's why I say, my subjective view, I want to say, he's finishing his karma, he's a great Gaur Bhakta, and he had 6 months to live, and so that's what I want to say. So I think we'll rest this question about